Right, here's Jan.
It's Toby.
And there's Mky in there. He's just stayed the night with us. See in the farmyard. There's his truck. And I just thought I should show Mky the Mk1 and have a look to show what's underneath the bonnet. You've got to remember I haven't used this for quite a while, this thing, and when I lifted the bonnet up, a pied wagtail, I think it was, flew out. And yeah, here's what she's left behind, so I won't be driving this anywhere for a while. Better than having a rat, I suppose. Yeah.
I hope she comes back.
Oh, she will. She'll come back. She'll come back. Yeah, because I've been round this a while. So yeah. So I'll have to wait for the chicks to. Yeah, as long as we don't touch. As long as we don't touch it, she'll come back. In fact, we'll do this rather quickly and get it over with so she can come back, and we'll leave her alone. So there you go. I'm not such an inglorious bastard. After all, look, I'm helping the wildlife.
You are. Any steps?
Hey, hang on here.
Oh yeah, bring that one.
Oh, I couldn't believe it when it flew out. So I thought, what the hell?
Good job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, Andrew, you could do one of them for getting in your truck, couldn't you? Oh dear. Yeah. That's excellent, isn't it? That's what happens when you live out in the country, folks.
It is.
I've got a cow living in the Mark III. I just have to milk it. Oh well, there you go.